Hey everyone, so this is a short video, Sneaker Ninja Bot video, short one. Just working a deal to get some good proxies in for free for the system. The upside of the deal will be you'll be able to see the proxy supplier and they will be able to give you maybe a good deal on proxies. At least you'll know who works with the system. Did a great several giveaways this week, and I think I'm going to like this model. To get into a giveaway, you need to be a subscriber to this channel, and you need to have a Twitter account. And all you have to do is, in this case, in this video, put a message with your Twitter name in there, your at whatever it is, and I'll pick out some winners and give away some free keys. So let's see. Things are going well. Version 3 is pumping along. I have been distracted with clients who wanted my time and energy, but while I've got some of their processes running, now's a good time to add more stuff and up the game of the Sneaker Ninja Bot 3. So now is your time. Subscribe to this channel. Have a Twitter account. Hey, if you want to buy a key, I'm all for that too, but I'll give away a few more keys. You just have to subscribe here. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.